Hello children. Now we are going to do the continuation of the chapter tangents and intersecting chords. First question. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with the center O and AT is the tangent. Calculate the numerical value of x. Given AB is the diameter of the circle with the center O, AT is the tangent to the circle. In triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OBC equal to angle OCB, angle opposite to equal sides. Also, we know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. That is, angle COA is equal to angle OBC plus angle OCB. But angle OCB is equal to angle OBC. Therefore, angle COA is equal to 2 times angle OBC. That is 64 degree is equal to 2 times angle OBC. Therefore, angle OBC is equal to 64 divided by 2 equal to 32 degree. Now, in triangle ABT, angle BAT is equal to 90 degree and angle ABT equal to 32 degree. Therefore, angle ATB is equal to 180 degree minus of 90 plus 32 degree. That is, x is equal to 180 minus 122 degree equal to 58 degree. Next question. In the given figure, PQ is a tangent to the circle at A. AB and AD are bisectors of angle CAQ and angle PAC. If angle BAQ equal to 30 degree, prove that first part BD is diameter of the circle, second part ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given PQ is a tangent to the circle at A, AB and AD are bisectors of angle CAQ and PAC. Angle BAQ equal to 30 degree. To prove BD is the diameter of the circle, second part ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given BAQ is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, BAC is 30 degree since AB is the bisector of angle CAQ. Now, angle PAD equal to angle CAD since AD is the bisector of angle PAC. Let angle PAD is equal to angle CAD equal to x. Now, angle PAC plus angle CAQ equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Therefore, x plus 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 degree divided by 2 equal to 60 degree. Angle DAC equal to 60 degree. Angle CAB equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle DAB equal to 60 plus 30 equal to 90 degree. That is, angle BAD is equal to 90 degree, which implies that BD is the diameter of the circle. Now, we know that the angle between a tangent and a chord through the point of contact is equal to an angle in the alternate segment. Angle BAQ equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Alternate segment property. Angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Since AB bisect angle CAQ. Now, in triangle ABC, angle ACB equal to 30 degree, angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Therefore, AB equal to BC. Side opposite to equal angles. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.